In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Alias in Proton Mail. An email alias is an extra address that delivers to your same inbox. It's great for keeping your main address private, organizing newsletter signups, and cutting down on spam. I'll walk you through creating one in Proton Mail and point out what each field means so you know exactly what you're setting up. Start by opening Proton Mail in your browser and signing in. Once you're in your inbox, look toward the right side of the screen for the shield icon. That opens the Security Center panel. Click it to reveal options related to privacy and protection. In the Security Center, choose Create an Alias. This opens a small form where you'll set up the new address. Begin with the alias title. This is just a label for you. Think of it like a nickname that helps you remember why you made the alias, such as shopping, travel, or job search. It won't change the email address itself, but it makes managing multiple aliases easier later. As you type, you'll see a preview of the alias address so you know exactly what will be created. This helps you confirm the format looks right before you commit. If your workspace has multiple addresses or custom domains, the preview can also help you spot which domain is being used. Next, set forwards to. This determines where messages sent to the alias will land. In most cases, you'll choose your main Proton Mail address. If you have more than one address in your account, select the one you want to receive those messages. Add a note if you like. Notes are optional but very handy. Use them to record where you plan to use the alias or any rules you want to apply later. When everything looks good, click Create and Copy Alias. Proton Mail will instantly copy the new address to your clipboard so you can paste it into a sign-up form or share it right away. If you ever need to pause or remove an alias, you can return to the same panel to manage it. That's it. Your alias is ready to use.